Good morning, class. Yesterday we started the topic active and passive voice. So let us recapitulate. Active voice. A verb is said to be in active voice when the doer or the action is in active. Means my teacher taught me. The work of teaching is done by my teacher and my teacher is the subject, then it is active voice. Means the verb is said to be in the active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. Means when the subject is doing something, then it is active voice. And when the subject of the verb is acted upon, means subject is not doing the work but somebody else is doing the work and the subject is acted upon, then it is called passive voice. I am taught by my teacher. I is the subject and I is not doing anything. The work of teaching is doing teacher. So I is acted upon, then it is called passive voice. Means when the subject is doing something, when the subject is active, then it's active voice. When the subject is not doing anything, the subject is sleeping, not doing, taking rest, then it is passive voice. Clear? So yesterday we discussed some typical forms, use of models, imperative sentences, etc. And I think you are able to solve the exercise, the assignment I gave you. So today we shall discuss about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative, as it says, then it's question. See, does he help the poor? First of all, identify the tense. Does he help the poor? It's present. Then when present tense is there, we use is, am, are, and always the third form of the verb. So what's the answer? Are the poor helped by him? And question mark. Then the second is, did he buy that house? See the tense? Did. It is past. So did he buy that house? So what we will use? Was and were. And the third form of the verb. See here on the top. Was that house bought by him? And it's question mark. Then see, what do you want? When WH family is there, the word will remain as it is. What is wanted by you? Do is there, means present. So what is wanted by you? And who stole your pen? By whom was your pen stolen? Stole, it's the past tense. So therefore was is there. By whom was your pen stolen? See one or two sentences in the exercise, then you will solve. Does he always help his friends? Does means present. So is, am, are will be there. Friends plural. Then what will be in the answer? Are. Are his friends always helped by him? Question mark. Are they singing the national anthem? So the national. Are they singing the national anthem? We have to make it question. So is the national anthem being sung by them? Being sung. Singing is there. Means continuous is there. When continuous tense is there, we use being, being. So is the national anthem being sung by them? Did you win the match? Did past tense is there, then So was the match won by you? Question mark. I think you will be able to solve these. Now come on 9 number. Verb with two objects. Verb with two objects. Earlier we have done only one object was there and we are making that subject. Subject was changed into object and object was changed into subject. But now two objects are there, then how to make them subject? Let us see. Muhammad gave me a pen. Muhammad subject, gave verb, me is also object, a pen is also object. So we can solve these sentences in 3 ways. See very carefully in the answer. First of all, see the tense. Muhammad gave. It's past tense, then was and were will be there. So I was given a pen by Muhammad when I have changed me into the subject. When I am changing a pen into subject, then a pen was given me by Muhammad. A pen was given to me by Muhammad. All the 3 are correct. Mr. Mukherjee teaches us English. The tense is present. Then is MR will be used and third form of the verb. So once we will make subject with us and then with English. So we are taught English by Mr. Mukherjee. English is taught us by Mr. Mukherjee. English is taught to us by Mr. Mukherjee. Right? Now see 1 or 2 example. Mr. Gupta teaches us science. Present tense is there, then we are taught science by Mr. Gupta. Science is taught us by Mr. Gupta. Science is taught to us by Mr. Gupta. See the second one. He lent me his camera. Lent, past tense is there, then was and were will be used. So once we will make the subject to me and then his camera, right? So he lent me his camera. I was lent his camera by him. His camera was lent me by him. His camera was lent to me by him. Right? In the same way you can solve the other 3. It's your assignment. Now see. Now see the next is, they are typical sentences. Verbs with prepositions. Some verbs are followed by the general prepositions and they are keep with the together. She looks after the child. Looks after. The child is looked after by her. He agreed to my request. My request was agreed to by him. Means looks and after will be the together and agreed and to. Now see the exercise 82. The children listened to the story. Listen to. The story was listened to by the children. Listened is past form, so we have used the word was. The story was listened to by the children. I knocked at the door for 5 minutes. The door was knocked at for 5 minutes by me. So it's the solution. In this way you can solve these other 3 that are left. Now see 11 number. Use of prepositions other than by. Other than by. means when the by agent is not used. See, he knows you. You are known to him means know with to. This book contains pictures. Pictures are contained in this book. The news surprised us. We were surprised at the news. His honesty pleased his boss. His boss was pleased with his honesty. So, known to, contained in, surprised at, pleased with. See, known to, contained in, surprised at, pleased with. See in the exercise, I know your father. So the answer is, your father is known to me. This box contains apples. Apples are contained in this box. His failure surprised us. We were surprised at his failure. So they are quite easy. Rest too you can solve yourself. So I think the exercise is clear. The chapter voice is very much clear to you. When you will solve them with the help of examples, they are very easy to learn, very easy to solve, and the topic will be clear to you. Okay, so it's bye for today.